Hey, welcome back. Today I want to teach you on how you can make money by selling ebook on Netwonga. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. Now, this is how to make money, dollars, to your bank account. All what you need to do is just to firstly, you have to purchase this ebook which says how to monetize your social handle. So the book will teach you how you can make money with your Facebook, your Instagram, or your social media. So you firstly have to purchase that book. So now to purchase, we click on buy now. Then when you reach here, you select the kind of payment you want to use. Now for international users, like if you want to make use of crypto, you can go ahead and use crypto. So if you want to use local, you can switch to local pay. Now for local pay, you have to select your country. If you are from Nigeria, you select Nigeria. If you are from Kenya, you select Kenya, Rwanda, Ghana, West Africa. Now for this West African CFA, there are countries that is being listed: Mali, and Niger, Benin, Senegal, Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire. Now if you select Uganda ceiling, they are using mono. Zambia too are using mono. Then Central Africa, there are countries that are being listed there. So you can see the country that are being listed there: Chad, Gabon, Cameroon, Equatorial Guinea, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo. Now that's if you are going to use local pay. Now if you want to use um crypto pay, now you can just go ahead. So I'm going to put my name there. Then I'm going to put then make sure that you put your country code on your phone number. You can see it has been stated there. So now for the crypto, I'm going to use Litecoins. So we go ahead and click on pay. Now, so this is where I have to put to. So let's copy. Make sure you copy the correct stuff. Then I'm going to. So all you have to do is just to make use of your crypto. So I'm going to use this. I'm sure. So let's go ahead and copy the amount. Just copy it that way. You can remove the LTC, then you paste the amount here. Now I'm going to use uh it depends on what you want to use. I think their fees are different, but I will use normal. So let's just go ahead. So I'm going to pause this to enter my pin. So I've done that. So I'm going to click confirm. So you can see the fund has been sent. So let's go back here. We are still here. So it has happened that our our page has reloaded. So that's actually how to go ahead and pay. So when you are done paying, you will receive an email. You will receive an email whenever your payment is successful. You will receive an email that will tell you the next step you are going to take. So that's all for now. So if you have any question, don't forget to ask me. Make sure you turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. So thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful time. I'm going to still explain how you can make money and how you can withdraw your money on Netwonga. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe because it is necessary. So take good care of yourself. Have a wonderful time. God bless you. Bye bye.